Alright, this is the elevator at Neiman Marcus here at Northbrook Court. We've got an Otis mod. Otis modded by Otis. Ooh, it talks. It's got an old school cab to it. Do a very quick ride on this. I believe this used to be a Lexan.
Second floor.
Didn't know this thing was traction. Going down? Oh, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Of course. Sorry, there was an employee getting on. We're gonna go back down now. I didn't know this thing was traction. Alright, here it is.
Going down.
Capacity is 2,500 pounds. Here is your certificate.
First floor. Main lobby.
Definitely fancy that it talks.
Going up.